Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download WebAIM contrast checker exports for design easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in WebAIM contrast checker and press enter. Click on the link to the official WebAIM contrast checker. Once the page loads, you will find the contrast checker tool in the center of the screen. Enter your foreground color in the provided field. You can input the color using its HEX code or by using the color picker tool. Next, enter your background color in the corresponding field. Again, you may use the HEX code or the color picker to select the background color. As you input the colors, the contrast ratio will update automatically. Review the contrast ratio to ensure it meets accessibility guidelines. Once you have the desired color combinations, locate the Export button, usually found near the bottom of the tool. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to choose the export format. Select your preferred format for downloading the contrast checker results. After selecting the format, click on the Download button in the pop-up. Your file will begin downloading to your computer. Check your Downloads folder to locate the exported file. Open the file to review your contrast checker results and any additional information provided. This concludes the tutorial on how to download WebAIM contrast checker exports for design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for